Good morning. Today we're going to talk about gypsum board. The following work is done with the purpose of illustrate about the origins of the gypsum and change through the time and in history help us to know and identify in which areas or which products it's used or was used or used actually. Chemical known like calcium sulfate diehydrates. Gypsum contains calcium sulfur bound with oxygen and water. This is non-toxic mineral and is good for humans, animals, plant life, and environment. We have two types of gypsum, natural gypsum and fuel gas desulfurization, called FGD. This natural gypsum is found in around over 85 countries in the world, around the world. United States, Canada, and Mexico have the largest fields of the high quality gypsum in the world. Fuel gas desulfurization is like a synthetic gypsum and is good for environment because don't produce pollution. Some FTDs they're not good for the human health, like phosphogypsum. Gypsum board, commonly known as drywall. That is the technical product name, drywall. Is used for manufacturers in a specific board with a gypsum core and paper facing. Have two paper facing. This piece of gypsum, you see clearly where's the core, where's the paper facing it, both sides. Gypsum board, we have two types of gypsum board, regular gypsum board and type X gypsum board. Regular gypsum have the normal resistance to the fire. Normally is normal fire resistant, and type X have some additives, some increase the fire resistance in the core. Making gypsum board. How they make the gypsum board? They produce gypsum board, calcined gypsum, like natural gypsum or fuel the FTDs, and with water and additives form a slurry which is fed between continuous layers of paper on board machine. The paper becomes chemically and mechanically bound to the core. The board is cut, and the legs are conveyed to the dryers to remove any free moisture. Gypsum board to the edges. We found gypsum board in ancient Egypt, like pyramids. In 19th century, Mr. Sackett Board patented the first board found in that century in 1893. In 20th century, the World War I increased the production of the gypsum, and in the modern days today, the industry has almost the 97% of the house use gypsum boards, and it's clearly the interior material of choice. Other uses. We can use, or we found gypsum in places, or we can use gypsum in soil, like a soil additive as additive in water like pumps, for create orthopedic casts, and food additive for human use like calcium, as color additive for drugs and cosmetics, and a primary ingredient of toothpaste. This is all. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.